For centuries, the Great Pyramid of Giza has stood as a testament to human ingenuity, a beacon of mystery in the sands of time. Its colossal structure, comprised of millions of perfectly placed stones, has captivated explorers, historians, and dreamers alike. The construction of the Great Pyramid remains one of history's most intriguing enigmas. The sheer scale of the project, the precision of its execution, and the unknown methods employed by its builders continue to baffle experts today. Some whisper of lost technologies, of ancient wisdom passed down through generations, while others point to more earthly explanations. But one thing is certain: the pyramids hold secrets, whispers of a time long past, waiting to be unlocked. The stones, some weighing as much as an elephant, were quarried miles away, deep within the heart of the land. How did they transport these behemoths across the vast, unforgiving desert, lift them with such care and precision, and set them in place with pinpoint accuracy, creating structures that have stood the test of time? Theories abound, each more fascinating and complex than the last. Some believe the Egyptians employed massive ramps, stretching for miles across the desert to haul the stones into position, a feat of engineering and human endurance. Imagine, if you will, the manpower required, the sheer will it must have taken to move these mountains of stone, inch by inch, under the scorching sun. Others speculate about ingenious systems of levers, rollers, and sleds, lubricated by water or perhaps even something more mysterious, lost to the sands of time. The desert holds its secrets close, but the echoes of these ancient techniques linger in the stones themselves, whispering tales of old. These weren't just laborers, they were architects, engineers, masters of their craft, whose skills were unparalleled. They left behind no blueprints, no detailed records, at least none that we've discovered, adding to the enigma. And perhaps that's part of the mystery, the allure that draws us back to these structures, again and again, seeking to unravel their secrets. We search for answers in the angles of the stones, in the faint markings left behind by tools we can barely comprehend. Each chip of stone, each imperfection, whispers a story of ingenuity and perseverance, of a civilization that pushed the boundaries of what was possible. Recent experiments have shown that even with modern technology, replicating the feats of the pyramid builders would be a daunting task, a testament to their extraordinary capabilities. Their knowledge, passed down through generations, seems to have vanished into the mists of time, leaving us to wonder and speculate. But we, the inheritors of their legacy, continue to search, to dig, to explore, driven by the hope that one day we might uncover the full story of these ancient marvels. For centuries, the pyramids stood silent, their interiors shrouded in darkness and mystery. But in recent decades, thanks to advances in technology, we've begun to peer behind the veil, to uncover chambers and passageways hidden for millennia. Muon scanning, a technique that uses cosmic particles to penetrate solid objects, has allowed us to map the interior of the pyramids without disturbing a single stone, and what we've found is nothing short of astonishing. Hidden chambers, their purpose unknown, lie deep within the heart of the pyramid. Were they burial chambers for nobles long forgotten, or did they serve a more esoteric purpose, perhaps as repositories of ancient knowledge or sacred rituals? One such chamber, known as the Big Void, has sparked particular intrigue. Its size and location suggest a significant purpose, but its true nature remains elusive. Theories range from a hidden burial chamber of Khufu himself, to a grand gallery designed to channel the pyramid's energy. The discovery of these hidden spaces has only deepened the mystery of the pyramids. They are like pieces of a giant puzzle, scattered across time, waiting for us to assemble them and reveal the bigger picture. And as technology continues to evolve, we can only imagine what other secrets these ancient structures might reveal. Chapter 3. Aligning with the Cosmos. The ancient Egyptians were keen observers of the night sky, their lives intertwined with the celestial cycles. And nowhere is this connection more evident than in the precise astronomical alignments of the pyramids. The Great Pyramid, for instance, is aligned almost perfectly with true north, a feat of engineering that continues to astound modern builders. How did they achieve such accuracy without the aid of modern instruments? Some believe they used the stars themselves as guides, aligning the pyramid with the celestial pole, the point around which the stars appear to rotate. Imagine, if you will, those ancient astronomers, their eyes fixed on the heavens, charting the movements of the cosmos with breathtaking precision. But the astronomical connections run deeper still. The air shafts within the Great Pyramid, once thought to be mere ventilation shafts, are now believed to have served a more symbolic purpose. During certain times of the year, these shafts align with specific stars, allowing their light to penetrate deep into the pyramid's core. Some believe these alignments were meant to guide the pharaoh's soul in the afterlife, while others see them as a testament to the Egyptians' deep understanding of the cosmos. Whatever their purpose, these astronomical alignments speak to a level of knowledge and sophistication that continues to challenge our understanding of the past. Chapter 4: Precision Beyond Measure. The pyramids are not just massive structures, they are masterpieces of precision, their construction so precise it continues to defy explanation. Each stone, each angle, and each measurement seems to have been executed with an almost obsessive level of accuracy. The dimensions of the Great Pyramid, for instance, are so accurate that some have speculated about the use of advanced mathematics or even alien intervention. Theories abound, but the mystery remains unsolved. The base of the pyramid is almost perfectly square, with each side measuring over 900 feet in length, and the angles of its sides are so precise that the difference between the longest and shortest sides is less than a fraction of an inch. This level of precision is astonishing, even by today's standards. How did they achieve such accuracy with the tools available to them? This question has puzzled historians and engineers alike for centuries. Some believe they used a system of ropes and plumb bobs, measuring and remeasuring with painstaking care. This method, though simple, would have required immense patience and skill. Others point to evidence of sophisticated surveying techniques, perhaps using the stars themselves as guides. The alignment of the pyramids with celestial bodies suggests a deep understanding of astronomy, but the precision goes beyond just the overall dimensions. It extends to the very stones themselves. The individual stones that make up the pyramid are also incredibly precise, cut and fitted together with such accuracy that it's difficult to even fit a piece of paper between them. This meticulous craftsmanship is truly remarkable. This level of precision is all the more remarkable when you consider that the Egyptians were working with incredibly hard materials, like granite and limestone. These materials are not easy to shape, even with modern tools, yet they managed to shape and polish these stones with a level of skill that rivals modern technology. The tools they used, though primitive by today's standards, were wielded with extraordinary expertise. The pyramids stand as a testament to the limits of human ingenuity, a reminder that with enough determination and skill, anything is possible. They continue to inspire awe and wonder, challenging our understanding of what ancient civilizations were capable of achieving. Chapter 5: Unveiling the Depths. The sands of time have a way of burying secrets, concealing the past beneath layers of dust and stone. These ancient monuments, standing tall against the test of time, hold within them stories that have been waiting millennia to be told. But in recent years, thanks to advances in technology and the tireless work of archaeologists, we've begun to unearth some of the hidden treasures buried beneath the pyramids. These discoveries are reshaping our understanding of ancient civilizations. Ground-penetrating radar, for instance, has revealed a network of tunnels and chambers beneath the Giza Plateau, some of which have yet to be explored. This technology allows us to peer into the earth without disturbing the delicate structures within. These subterranean labyrinths hint at a hidden world beneath the pyramids, a world of secret passages and forgotten chambers. Each discovery adds a new piece to the puzzle of our past. And then there's the discovery of a massive void within the Great Pyramid, detected using muon tomography. This non-invasive technique uses cosmic rays to map the internal structure of the pyramid. This void, located above the Grand Gallery, is thought to be at least 100 feet long and has sparked wild speculation about its purpose. Could it be an architectural marvel or something more mysterious? Could it be a hidden burial chamber, perhaps even the final resting place of Khufu himself? Theories abound, each more intriguing than the last. Or could it be something else entirely, a secret chamber containing ancient texts or artifacts? The possibilities are as vast as the sands of Egypt. Only time and further exploration will tell. The journey to uncover these secrets is just beginning. But these discoveries are just the tip of the iceberg. There is so much more waiting to be found, hidden beneath the sands and stones. With the help of artificial intelligence and machine learning, we're now able to analyze vast amounts of data, uncovering patterns and connections that would have been impossible to detect before. This technology is revolutionizing the field of archaeology. Imagine, for instance, an AI system that can analyze satellite imagery, ground-penetrating radar data, and even ancient texts, piecing together clues to reveal the location of hidden tombs or lost cities. The potential for discovery is immense. The possibilities are truly endless. As we continue to push the boundaries of technology and exploration, who knows what secrets we will uncover next? The pyramids of Giza stand as silent sentinels, guardians of an ancient knowledge that continues to elude our grasp. But even as we unlock their secrets, new mysteries emerge, reminding us that the past is a vast and intricate tapestry, woven from threads of time and wonder. The role of future technologies like AI and muon scanning promises to illuminate even more of these hidden truths. With each discovery, our understanding of ancient civilizations, their ingenuity, and their connection to the cosmos deepens.